Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus shifts to an often overlooked but absolutely essential component for any Alesis turbo mesh head electronic drum kit owner, the humble USB cable. Specifically, we're diving into the 6-foot USB cable data sync cord plug from Digiparts, designed precisely for this popular electronic drum kit. For drummers, a reliable connection between their kit and a computer or other devices is paramount. This isn't just about power. It's about seamless data transfer for recording, using drum software, or updating firmware. The Digiparts cable offers a dedicated solution, ensuring the drumming experience remains uninterrupted and precise. One of its immediate benefits is the generous 6-foot length. This provides ample reach for connecting the Alesis Turbo Mesh Head Kit to a desktop, laptop, or audio interface. Drummers gain the flexibility to arrange their practice space or studio exactly as needed without feeling restricted by a short cord. The cable features a standard USB Type-A connector, universally compatible with most computers and USB hubs. Its primary role as a data sync cord means every hit and nuance of a drummer's performance is accurately transmitted. This precision is vital for capturing authentic recordings or interacting with virtual instruments, truly unlocking the full potential of the Alesis Turbo Mesh Head Kit. Furthermore, the Digiparts cable is described as portable, a feature that might seem minor but is incredibly useful. Its design allows for easy coiling and storage, making it a perfect companion for drummers who take their kit to different practice locations or gigs. The sleek black color also ensures it blends discreetly into any setup, maintaining a professional and uncluttered aesthetic. In essence, this 6-foot USB cable isn't just a generic cord. It's a purpose-built link that enhances the functionality and reliability of the Alesis Turbo Mesh Head electronic drum kit. It provides the peace of mind that comes with a stable, high-quality connection, allowing drummers to focus entirely on their playing, knowing their data is syncing flawlessly. For anyone looking to maximize their Alesis Turbo Mesh Head experience, this Digiparts cable proves itself to be an indispensable accessory.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.